Techno is at an all-time high right now. Personally, I made some really cool techno tracks that did really well. We haven't made techno in a while on this channel as well, so let's make some bouncy techno. So let's start off with the techno fundamentals. Let's start off with a kick and bouncy bass. We'll be using our new sample pack pulse for it. It's a perfect one for either hyper techno remixes or bouncy techno tracks. So let's straight up into it. Let's start off with a kick. Actually, the first one already sounds really cool, so drop it in. The pack is stacked with drums, drum loops, vocals, and a ton of presets. Then load up a new serum and pick a bass preset from the pack. Let's go for this one. Let's work in F minor and just a small variation like this. Duplicate it and finish on the 7th note of a scale. So then we're gonna mix it. Bass has a little bit too much high end, so like this. And a really big sidechain for that offbeat bass feeling. Small kick variation in the end. Altogether, our kick and bass sounds like this. We got a bass ready, so now we're gonna dive in the typical Techno Lead. Let's open up a new pulse pack and pick a preset from it. Let's go for this square wave. And let's start off on a root note. So most of those melodies are based on the first hit on the kick. And then make it a little bit more melodic. Yeah, that's perfect. Really catchy as well. Then just duplicate it and make a small variation in the end. By going down to the 7th, up to the 3rd. Something like this. So with a pack you can make a melody really fast. So this will be our main lead. Remove the low end. Add some OTT. We need some delay. Bit of reverb and a sidechain to use in the drop. And then to make it a bit more interesting, we're gonna record the first note of the lead to create a reverse. Drag it in, hit reverse, and cut it like this. To avoid a clicky sound, we're gonna add in a fade out like this. And add a sidechain automation because first I want to drop in the melody and then drop it in with a kick, bass, and drums. So altogether, our main lead sounds like this. We got the main elements ready, so now we need to spice it up with some more techno elements as the Acid and Screech. Of course, we got it covered in the pack as well. We can just pick a random Screech from the pack. Let's go for this one. Drop it on the root. And vary between the dissonance and root notes. Then mix it some more. Of course, remove the low ends and some reverb and delay, just some basic stuff, and of course a sidechain. And again, record that first hit, drag it in, hit reverse, and place it right here and here. Shorter version. This will add some more energy to it, makes it a bit more unique. Now we're gonna continue with the Acid. So just duplicate the serum with a reverb, delay, sidechain, and low cut. Let's go for this kind of wobble sound and place it right here. It's very basic, but it gets the job done. And let's build a breakdown a bit more by creating the pre-drop. Just drop in some ambiances and pitch them in key. We're in D sharp. So we need to go up 2 semitones for both and then arrange the drop some more. We got a ton of cool vocals in the pack as well, so I think I want to have this section with a vocal on top of it and without a main lead. So altogether it sounds like this. So let's continue with the vocal. Let's go to the vocal section of the back.
Drip on the walls, posts in the room. Smoke on my shoes again. Pull me in, turn the room to heat.
This one's really solid, so fit it to the tempo, something like this.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat.
So then we need to mix it some more. First, remove the low end and
Pull me in, turn the room
open up
to
the high
heat.
ends a little
Hands
bit.
up, no names, just
Bit of delay,
pull me in.
combined with some reverb.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat.
And we're gonna use it in the drop as well, so.
Pull me in, turn
And then
the
a side
room to
chain.
heat. Hands up, no.
And automate it and copy over the ambience in the drop as well. So altogether, our vocal sounds like this.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat. Hands up, no names, just a stomp of feet. Pull me in, turn the room to heat. Hands up.
So we almost got the track ready. The only thing we need to add is some more drums right at this part.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat.
So first, the open head.
Pull me in, turn the
That's solid, but it's still a bit empty, so let's layer it with a head loop.
pull me in, turn the room to heat. Hands up, no names, just a stomp of feet.
Yeah, that's solid. We only need a crash fill right here.
Pull me in,
And let's combine it with a low cut animation on the master channel.
pull me in,
Just like
turn the
this.
room to heat.
So then we need to focus on the breakdown a little bit more.
Bass in my bones, floor shakes under me. Eyes locked on the strokes, wild and free.
Just like this. We are only missing a clap right here, so let's fit it up some more.
Pull me in, turn the room
Just like
to
this.
heat. Hands up, no names, just a stomp of feet. Bass in my bones, floor shakes under me.
We could also drop it in a drop right here.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat. Hands up, no names, just a stomp of feet.
Actually quite solid, so let's keep it here. And maybe after 4 bars I want to drop in first bit of the open head as well.
Oh, damn free. Oh, damn free.
So that's already it for the video. I think the final result sounded really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Pull me in, turn the room to heat. Hands up, no names, just a stomp of feet. Bass in my bones, floor shakes under me. Eyes locked on the strokes, wild and free.